Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel. Guys, I am Ramkesh, Unity game developer, YouTuber and blogger. In today's tutorial we are going to talk about Unity Muse. In last time I shared a tutorial that Unity is launching two tools, Unity Muse and Unity ChatGPT. In this video I show to you that I have joined beta test. I have just invited by Unity Muse chat. You invited to join our AI closed beta. So I have got this link, and in this tutorial I'm going to share with you that how useful it is. So you can call it Unity AI ChatGPT. It's really great. I have used whole day, and let me show you that how it works. So basically it is in beta version, so not everyone can access, but yes, after the few months it will be in production. Don't worry about it. When it will come, I will show you. Before that, I'm going to share with you that how we can use it. Basically it is similar to ChatGPT. Here is, you can see it is the user interface and Unity Muse. It is in beta version. You have to do your login part. So I have do the login part, and here you can see there is the dashboard where you can type your message and call it prompt engineering, whatever you want, but in simple language you have to ask your question here. It is similar to ChatGPT. You can call it Unity ChatGPT. So if you want to ask anything, there is a few like you can ask how I make my games accessible, how do I make a inventory system. Let's suppose I want to ask that how it is working. I have not write proper sentence, but let's see how it's behaving. So it's analyzing, and let's see. Oh my god, so here you can see it is, we are getting response similar way in ChatGPT. But one thing I want to mention here for Unity Muse, that this UI should be in bottom so that a user can see a proper look of code at a one glance. So I'm not able to see, I have to just scroll this thing. So I think this thing can be improved. So this in beta, I will provide my feedback to them. So here you can see I have asked the question, and the reply is, to move a cube from point A to point B in Unity you can use simple script. Here is the example. So here is the there is 2 point A point B, and here is the speed, and here is the journey length, start time. So in start we have to use start time equal to time dot time. Journey length is vector distance, we are getting distance between both. And then what we are doing, transform dot position equal to point A, and in update we are just doing distance covered, whatever distance we are covering, and fraction journey, so distance covered, and then journey length. So basically we are getting the speed. So what we are doing, transform dot position vector 3. So we are just providing the smooth movement. We are using the lerp point A to point B, and by using this speed, and we are moving unless we are not on the point B. So we have just performed the code. This code is really nice, and this is the correct answer. Suppose today I was facing one problem like so what happening is that I have one scene in my project, it's not looking proper. In front of Oculus lens there is some lines, but in same scene in other project it's working fine. So let's see what reply I am getting. Okay, so these are the solution, like they are providing to check the setting in both. So this is the proper answer I have to check, but this is the UI thing that they have to improve. Like at a one time I want to see my whole chatting, okay, means same question with Unity ChatGPT AI tool. So it's working great. If you want to use ChatGPT, so great, but if you want to use Unity Muse, so that will be also great, because it is a core related to Unity. So I'm going to use it, and if there will be any feedback, so I will provide to them. And I want to say thank you to Unity for giving me opportunity to test Unity Muse. Thank you so much guys, and what do you think about this tool? Let me know in the comment box, and please like the video, subscribe the channel if you're new on the channel. It really helped me to continue my journey on YouTube. So thanks a lot. See you in next tutorial.